Imagine a world where words are not the dominant force of communication. Picture a dimly lit room where silence speaks volumes, where the air is thick with unspoken messages that vibrate quietly between people. It's a place where the eyes become windows, gestures become whispers, and silence is not the absence of sound, but the presence of meaning. Welcome to the realm of silent communication, where each pause and each unspoken intention acts as a thread tying us to one another in ways that words alone could never achieve. Silent communication is all around us, a subtle symphony that plays continuously beneath the conscious level of our interactions. It's an ancient language, one that predates words, yet retains a profound power that can sway emotions and influence outcomes without a single syllable. The first secret of silent communication is the art of observation. It's like tuning into an invisible frequency. As you walk through a crowded street or sit quietly in a cafe, become acutely aware of the world around you. Notice how people move, where their eyes linger, how they hold themselves. Each movement, each posture, tells a story. There are tales of confidence held in the shoulders of a passerby or the weight of worry in the furrow of a brow. By becoming keen observers, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of the unspoken narratives that compose human interaction. Consider touch, a conduit of silent communication that has the power to convey everything from comfort to caution. The warmth of a handshake, the reassurance of a pat on the back, or the intimacy of a gentle touch on the arm can speak louder than any word. Touch connects us, building bridges between our internal worlds. It's a reminder of our shared humanity, capable of soothing an anxious mind or igniting sparks of connection where words might falter. Our eyes, too, are powerful communicators. They reveal truths often hidden in the shadows of spoken language. The eyes can be gateways, allowing glimpses into the depths of another's emotion. Eye contact, or the deliberate avoidance of it, can determine the course of a conversation, build trust, or reveal deceit. A steady gaze can convey confidence and care, while a fleeting glance might betray hesitation or fear. In the silence, the eyes often say what the lips cannot. Even our breathing speaks for us, though few pay attention to this silent rhythm. The pace and depth of breath can be a barometer of our internal state. A slow, deep breath might signal calm, while quick, shallow breathing can betray anxiety or excitement. By tuning into a person's breath, we can often anticipate their feelings and reactions before they voice them. The space between us is another silent communicator. The distance we maintain in our interactions can convey intimacy or formality, comfort or constraint. Imagine the quiet but palpable tension when someone stands just a little too close in an elevator, or the warmth of a loved one sitting near enough to share a moment's quietude. These spatial dynamics are the silent negotiations we navigate daily, often unconsciously, yet they shape our interactions as much as any word could. Emotional expression, too, is woven into the fabric of silent communication. Think of the smile that lights up a face, transforming it with joy, or the tears that silently carve paths of sorrow down a cheek. Our emotions often precede words, rippling outwards through our bodies before they ever form into language. By attuning to these nonverbal cues, we can learn to empathize more deeply, to respond with a sensitivity that transcends the limits of spoken communication. As you immerse yourself in this world of silent communication, you realize that it's less about decoding signals and more about connecting with an authentic human presence. It's about being present, attuned, and receptive to the invisible waves that carry meaning from one heart to another. It teaches us to listen with more than our ears, to see with more than our eyes, and to understand with the fullness of our being. This silent language, though subtle, invites us to explore the depths of empathy and connection. It asks us to be still, to let go of the need to fill every silence with chatter, and to find comfort in the quiet presence of another. There is a profound beauty in this form of communication that transcends barriers, a reminder that even in silence, we are never truly alone. In a world that often feels drowned in noise, discovering the secrets of silent communication can be a grounding force. It reminds us that connection doesn't always need words. Sometimes the deepest bonds are forged in the quiet spaces between them. As you reflect on this, allow yourself to embrace the stillness, to listen and to be heard in the silence. And in that silence, find the presence of something infinitely profound, the unspoken connection that binds us all.